Hi folks, I'm Ken from Vista Upholstery Enterprises and Upholster Magazine Online. We've been serving upholstery pros and do-it-yourselfers on the internet since 1997. I also owned my own upholstery shop for 23 years starting in 1976 and made our first version of upholstery training videos in 1989 and then remade them completely in recent years for DVD. You can visit Upholster Magazine online at upholster.com, that's upholster.com, not upholstery.com. The direct link to our upholstery instructional DVDs is upholster.com/VUE, and a page with links to our upholstery tools is upholster.com/toolkits. We sell our air and electric staple guns that are made for furniture and boat vinyl, and also good for artist canvas and carpet laying, etc. We have upholstery tool kits, foam cutters, button machines, books on how to upholster and make slip covers, and a manual for starting your own upholstery business. So on this video and others, I'll try to help you choose the right DVDs and tools, along with giving you some advice on how to use them. I want to show you the air and electric staplers we carry. We have 2 air guns and 1 electric that shoots a 22 gauge 3/8 inch wide staple. That's the crown. These are number 7 guns. Most furniture upholsterers in North America use this style of gun. Then we have 1 air and 1 electric that shoots a number 8 21 gauge staple with a 1/2 inch crown. We recommend this gun if you do mostly vinyl work like boats or restaurant booths. This number 7 air gun has an extended 1 inch nose that gets into hard to reach places. I've been selling this Easy brand for about 10 years and rarely have any problems with it. We offer a 6-month factory warranty on all our staplers. We give you a free box of 10,000 3/8 length staples with the gun, which also shoots 1/4, 1/2 inch, and 5/8 long staples. We suggest buying a box of 1/2 inch length for the times you're shooting into thick layers of material, like outside backs and arms. All staplers shoot only 1 width. This number 7 staple shoots only number 7 staples, also called 71 series or C series, which are always available from us or most upholstery suppliers. Our fine wire staplers lower the risk of damaging or splitting frames. We also give you a free swivel coupler, which allows the gun to move more easily in a 360-degree direction and keeps down the strain on your wrist and hose. Although the gun comes with a coupler and is ready to use, you may want to switch to the 360-degree coupler. Just put a little Teflon tape around the threads so the air won't leak. Be sure and read the safety instructions that come in the box and put about 3 drops of oil where the air hose connects after about 8 hours of use. To load the staples, disconnect the hose from the air supply and point the nose towards the ceiling. Open the chamber and drop a rack of staples in the empty slot. Your compressor may have come with a quick release coupler and a straight hose. And here's a quick release coupler that's on a different kind of hose here, a recoil hose. That just locks right on there. Start with about 65 pounds of pressure and increase until the staple goes all the way into whatever you're working on, but not more than 95 pounds. Use the least amount of pressure to reduce wear and tear on your staple gun, and your compressor won't need to come on so often either. Also, the larger the compressor's tank, the less often it needs to come on. Here's the same gun with a 2-inch nose. Most people don't need the extra long nose unless you recover a lot of antiques and need to staple around finished wood near a seat, for example. It's also helpful in covering window valances. This is our Upholstery electric gun. It comes in its own carry case that you can lock. This powerful gun will go into oak and other hardwoods, including plywood and particle board. Electric staplers from hardware stores generally are not powerful enough and shoot too thick of a staple, so the staples go in only part way. Beware of cheap electric and air staplers sold online that have their safety in the nose where the staples come out. The nose has to be flush against the furniture frame to push the safety back into fire. So it's hard to drive staples into hard to reach places or at an angle. I sold a cheaper electric gun for a while but quit because customers were having too much trouble with the gun falling apart. The Upholstery will give you years of service. It takes generic number 7 staples, unlike the more expensive Duofast gun, and has a latch that opens up to remove the occasional jammed staples. This is the latch. I'll load the Upholstery now. And now about our number 8 guns with the 1/2-inch crown. They look identical to the number 7 staplers. We recommend these guns if you do mostly vinyl work, such as boat seats or restaurant booths. These guns shoot a slightly thicker staple, which helps prevent the occasional problem of the gun cutting the vinyl. Some people who apply artist's canvas to frames prefer the 1/2-inch crown, as do some carpet layers. These guns come with a free box of 5,000 3/8-inch long staples and the air gun with a free swivel coupler. As a bonus, we have 75 free pages of how to upholster information online waiting for you to access. We ship 2 to 3 day priority mail to U.S. addresses and air to other countries. Please go to our website now to see our low prices and place your order.